Okay, so now looking at part B here, again I notice that in the numerator, as x approaches infinity, I have this logarithmic function with base 10, so I know that that just approaches infinity, and then in the denominator, I have a power function with my exponent is positive there. And so I know that, again, that's going to approach infinity. And so again, I have this indeterminate form, infinity over infinity. And so now which one dominates? Okay, and so like we said in part A, we know that the power function dominates, right? So here I'm going to say x to the third goes to infinity faster than the logarithmic function log of x. And note that x cubed is in the denominator. All right, so now the power function is in the denominator, and that's what's dominating. Okay, and so if I have that the function in the denominator approaches infinity faster than the one in the numerator, again, remember here we see above that that is going to be equal to 0, and so we say that this is 0. Okay, moving on to part C here again, what I notice is that the numerator is going to infinity, right? Because here I have an exponential function. And again, I know it says e to the 2x, but my base is still greater than 1. Okay, how about the denominator? Well, I see that this is a power function plus 5. All right, and so I know that my power function is approaching infinity as x approaches infinity, so that plus 5 isn't really going to do anything in terms of my answer. Or if I have infinity plus 5, that's still going to be infinity. And so here I have that this is still going to be my indeterminate form, infinity over infinity. Okay. And so what do I want to do then? Well, I want to just compare which one dominates as x approaches infinity. Is it the exponential or the power? All right, well, I know that the exponential dominates. All right, so e to the 2x approaches infinity faster than x to the 100th approaches infinity. Okay, and so what does that mean in terms of my answer? Well, that means that my answer is going to be infinity since the exponential is in the numerator. Okay, how about part D? Well, here I see my power function, 120x to the 8th, and I notice there that my coefficient is positive and that my power is positive. Okay, and so I know that that means that as x approaches infinity, that my numerator is also going to approach infinity. What about my denominator? Well, that's also going to approach infinity because there I have an exponential function where the base is greater than 1. And so I need to figure out which one is approaching infinity faster. Well, I know that the exponential function is going to approach infinity faster than the power function. Okay, and so since what's approaching infinity faster is in the denominator now in this case, then I know that that limit is going to be 0.